My box presents action verbs, present simple and present continuous tenses. Hello my dear students, I'm teacher Nick. Today I'm going to tell you about action verbs in English, how to use them in different tenses, describing what people do. My students will help me explain everything. And today's verbs are stand, sit, wave, talk, work, and walk. Today we are going to practice these verbs in two tenses, present simple and present continuous tense. You need to remember a couple of rules. In the present simple tense, when you are talking about anything using nouns or pronouns such as he, she, it, you must add the letter S to the verbs you are going to use. He stands, she stands, it stands. You don't need to add anything to the verbs when you use nouns or pronouns such as I, you, we, they. I stand, you stand, we stand. In the present continuous tense, when you are talking about anything using nouns or pronouns such as he, she, it, you must add an auxiliary verb is as well as an ing ending to the action verb you are going to use. He is standing. When you are talking about anything using nouns or pronouns such as you, we, they, you must add an auxiliary verb are as well as an ing ending to the action verb you are going to use. You are standing. When you are talking about yourself, you must add an auxiliary verb am as well as an ing ending to the action verb you are going to use. I am standing. Today's first verb is to stand. Stand. I stand here every day because this is my workplace. Usually, the girl stands at this bus stop on her way to school. Jim is standing at the blackboard. Students are standing in the schoolyard.